Hello, my name is Jack Hennessy. I'm a graduate finance student at Fordham University, originally from Ireland and now based in New York. This presentation will serve as a summary of Professor Chia's opening lecture of the semester, with a specific focus on the expansion of the BRICS Alliance and its impact on the strength of the US dollar globally. A key focus of Week 1 was the expansion of the BRICS Alliance and the continuing decline of the US dollar as the default global reserve currency. The recent addition of economies such as Argentina, Saudi Arabia and Egypt has incorporated key supply chain and natural resource assets into the BRICS community, in addition to growing its macroeconomic statistical comparison versus the United States. This graphic clearly communicates the economic strength of the enlarged BRICS Alliance, now surpassing the US when GDP is measured by purchasing power parity. Why is this important? For decades, the United States has leveraged the dollar's global superiority as a part of its soft power arsenal, weaponizing the currency, withholding access to it, and broadly using it to maintain economic superiority over Russia, China and other emerging challenges. A key example of this shrinking influence is in the energy sector, where long-standing US-Arab oil partnerships are now being challenged by alliances with China, as well as the broader move away from fossil fuels and the strategic advantage of nations with strong reserves of lithium and other in-demand raw materials. What's next? While the macro strength of this rapidly growing bloc is clear, market experts are uncertain of the group's ability to directly counter US economic advantages, primarily due to differing political systems among members and the lack of any tangible joint policy achievements to date. On the monetary side, it seems unlikely we will see a unified BRICS currency in the near future, with South Africa and other members recently dismissing the idea. Instead, maintaining monetary independence is seen as key for T members to be able to focus on their respective competitive advantages, the collective impact of which will further de-dollarization globally and force new economic and trade alliances by the US and traditional Western economies. Regardless of the specific near-term policies, it's clear from Professor Chia's first lecture, and from further study of the topic, that America's long-standing currency and geopolitical dominance is coming to an end. New international alliances, embodied most clearly by the BRICS Alliance, are taking advantage of natural resources and other strategic strengths to reshape the global monetary and economic landscape away from the legacy deference to the dollar. The US remains a dominant global economic power and the USD will continue to be an impactful global currency, but the data is clear. Currency reserves, foreign transfers and growing regional alliances all indicate a new world order. Watch this space.